Hey you guys, let's go ahead and get started. I'm gonna be making this adorable wreath. Now this is a wired wreath and it is the small one that you get from the dollar store, and you get two for $1. So that is perfect for the project I'm doing today. Go ahead and grab your wire cutters and we're just gonna cut this off. So gently, I'm just gonna cut it off. Make sure you have a good pair of wire cutters. I am always telling you how important that is, and this is what I'm gonna use, and I'm gonna keep going and I'm gonna cut it off again. So we're gonna go ahead and grab it and we're gonna cut it again. So just give it all you got and cut it off. Grab your cutters and keep cutting, and there you go. This is what I'm gonna use. As you can see, it's just a little ring. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut this off like that. I'm gonna cut off the other piece. Like so. I'm gonna cut off one more. And it's pretty easy to cut it off once you get the hang of it. So go ahead and cut it. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel. If you're not, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up and go ahead and follow me on Instagram. I'll link the link down below. So this is what I'm using. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this ear lamp that I'm gonna show you. It's just a greenery, and it's a greenery right there. So this is just a greenery and it's called Ear Lamp. So I'm gonna go ahead and use that, which I already have a piece cut off exactly for this project, and look at how gorgeous that's gonna look. I'm gonna use some wire, and I'm just gonna cut a couple of pieces of this wire just to attach the ear lamp to it. I just want a couple of pieces just that I could play with in case I need to attach it. So I'm not gonna glue this on. I'm going to attach it because I think that is the right look for this, and look at how gorgeous it's already looking, and I haven't done anything. So go ahead and grab your wire and we're gonna attach it to the circle frame just like that, just like you see it. Grab your wire, go around, make it as tight as you can, like always. I'm always telling you to go around and make everything super tight for a reason, because you don't want anything falling or moving out of place. Once you have it, go ahead and tie it together, twist it, and bend it in. It's that simple. Let's go ahead and keep going. So just adjust everything as you keep going. Don't get scared of nothing. Move it around. Flip it. It's just going to be a little beautiful crown, basically, of greenery. And this is one of my favorite greens. It's called Ear Lamp. It's so beautiful. Even the real one is beautiful. And I thought this would be very cute for the idea of this wreath. So go ahead and take it around like you are. Make sure that it's on top of the circle and cut it, and look at how gorgeous it's gonna look. Keep going, take it all the way around, cut this in half, use that, and we're gonna keep tying it. So just keep tying it as tight as you can, make it super tight, and then twist it together. So just go ahead and keep twisting and keep twisting and keep twisting. And then when you're at the end, we're gonna go ahead and tie the end again. Like this. I just want it to be nice and tight. So I'm gonna tie this piece right here as tight as I can. Twist it around. We're gonna go ahead and finish it off right here. and I'm gonna twist it right on top. So go ahead and bring it as tight as you can. Bring it around as many times as you can. And then we're gonna twist it together. And we're gonna tuck it in, and that's it. And look at how gorgeous that is. Isn't that just plain gorgeous? Look at that. You can even hang that up just like that. That is a beautiful wreath, and you could just hang it up like this. Look at how gorgeous that is. Now, if you feel that something's not quite like this, go ahead and tie it. So go ahead and tie it some more. If you want to, grab a couple extra pieces, just in case you don't feel that it is tight enough. Go ahead and tie it again and again until you have it exactly how you want it. Mine is super perfect, like that. And once you have it how you want it, we're going to add it to this beautiful farmhouse basket. These baskets, I picked them up from Target Dollar Spot, and they came 3 for $9. So I have this, 2 of these, and a white one. So this is perfect for this project. It's nice and simple. It's a farmhouse wreath, and look at how gorgeous it looks. Look at how gorgeous that's gonna be. So all I'm gonna do is grab some wire, and I'm gonna tie the back of it together. So you might wanna get 4 pieces of the wire. I kinda, oh, here you go. I thought I lost it. 4 pieces of the wire, and we're gonna tie this together. Look at how cute that is. It's gonna look even better when I'm done tying it. So let's go ahead and tie this together. Just place it exactly in the middle, turn it around, and we're gonna start tying it together. Grab your wire, and you're gonna make sure that you touch the circle. You're gonna bring it out and bring it in, and we're gonna tie this to the basket. So yeah, that's perfect. Go ahead and tie it and twist and twist. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up. Comment down below if you have any questions. Go ahead and follow me on Instagram. I would love to see what you came up with. I am always have people tagging me there, and I love to see what you come up with, how you put your own spin on it. You can paint this basket white if you wanted to. You can do so many things with it. Go ahead and show me what you did with yours. I am dying to find out. But yeah, this is a great little project for the house. This is such a beautiful farmhouse look, which I am so into lately. This ties in great with all my decor pieces. And yeah, this is beautiful. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel on Instagram. I do have a ton of you there, but I put pictures there all the time when I find new bargains, like these baskets. When I got them, I put the picture up on my Instagram so you can have a sneak peek and go buy your own, just in case you want to go ahead and make the same DIY that I make. I love to put things and post things up there for you. It's optional. But look at how cute this is. And I'm going to go ahead and make another one because I want the matching set. They're going to go in my kitchen, and they're just going to be hanging there. And they're going to look really pretty. So maybe not there because it shows. So if it shows, just go ahead and cut a piece off and just bring it back. You don't want the wire to show. If it shows, just bring the wreath up, and look at how gorgeous that is. You have your wreath ready to be hanged up, and it is gorgeous. You can just hang it up like that if you choose to, or you can put it in a little basket like I do, which I have 2 of them. So I'm going to go ahead and make 2 of them, and this is gorgeous. Go ahead and make one. You are going to love it. Hang it up. If you don't want to use the basket, just go ahead and make the ring and hang it up. You are going to love this. So yeah, I hope you guys make one. And if you do, tag me on Instagram. My link is going to be down below. and I would love to see what you came up with. You guys stay safe, stay healthy, take care of yourselves, and until next time, bye you guys.